Welcome to our 2011 Upper Deck Hobby Football box. Let's go ahead and start breaking the plastic. We want to thank everyone that bought teams. Again, some teams did not sell, and those teams that did not sell will fall to us. If there's a product you'd like to see broken, just email us and we'll look into it. All our breaks that are advertised will take place. Breaking the seal. And let's get started. We got Barry Sanders, Dream Tandem Locker Thomas, Star Rookie Julio Jones, 20th Anniversary Armando Allen Jr., Ron Bosworth, Bo Jackson. Craig Morton, head-to-head, Jacquez Rogers, Jake Locker, Star Rookie Brandon Burton, Casey Matthews, 20th Anniversary, Mike Allstott, Doug Flutie. Capoletti, Rice, Upper Deck Class of 2010, Daniel Thomas, Jordan Todman, Star Rookie, Kozar, and Elway. Bubba Smith, Jim Kelly, Historical Programs Arkansas, Rod Mallett, 20th Anniversary Roman Gabriel, Floyd Little, and Bob Greasy. Bubba Smith, Jim Kelly, Class of 66, Greasy, Star Rookie Wisniewski, Ron Yeri, Zach Ham. Billy Sims, Jerry Rice, head-to-head, AJ Green, Julio Jones, Star Rookie Pierre Allen, Troy Aikman, Greg Pruitt. Thurman Thomas, Class of 2010, DeMarco Murray, Star Rookie Blaine Gabbert, J.J. Watt, 20th Anniversary, Earl Campbell, Leroy Jordan. Steve Largent, Kellen Winslow, Historical Programs, Florida State with Christian Ponder. By the letter, rookie autograph, the letter B, 68 of 100, Austin Pettis. 20th Anniversary, Anthony Costanzo, Doug Flutie, Rocky Blatter. Thurman Thomas, Jack Youngblood, Saturday in Action Cam Newton, Star Rookie Marcel Darius, Floyd Little, Bob Greasy. Paul Horning, Daryl Johnston, Historical Programs Washington, Jake Locker, 20th Anniversary Mike Allstott, Earl Campbell, Leroy Jordan. Jack Youngblood, Saturday in Action, A.J. Green, Star Rookie Jake Locker. On the card, Ultimate Rookie Signatures, Pat Devlin and Mike Singletary. Herman Moore, Saturday in Action, Mark Ingram, Star Rookie Nick Fairley, 20th Anniversary Lee Zimba, Troy Aikman, Steve Young. Paul Hornung, Daryl Johnson, Drink Tandems, Blaine Gabbert, Mark Ingram, star rookie Ryan Williams, the Rocket, Raheem Ismail, and George Rogers. Thurman Thomas, Dream Tandems, Bosworth, Leroy Selman, star rookie Devon House, star rookie autograph Christian Ponder, Jabal Shared, Mike Singletary. That's the second Ponder I've pulled the last two boxes. Last box opened up. Steve Young, Roger Craig, class of 2010 Locker, Chuck Wes Rogers, Tim Brown, Roman Gator. Keith Jackson, Alan Page, Dream Tandems, A.J. Green, Julio Jones, star rookie Vatua, Mike Allstott, Doug Flutie. 4 packs left. Elway, Charles White, Historical Programs, Virginia Tech, Ryan Williams, 20th anniversary Taylor Potts, Kelly Selman. 3 packs. Tim Brown, Barry Sanders, head-to-head Ingram and Mallett, star rookie Alan Bailey, Raheem Ismail, George Rogers. Thurman Thomas, Tim Brown, Historical Programs, Georgia, A.J. Green, Niles Paul 20th anniversary, Tim Brown, Roman Gator. Last pack. Earl Campbell, Craig Morton, head-to-head Cam Newton, A.J. Green, star rookie Tyron Smith, Ron Yeri, Jack Ham. Once again, we want to thank all the people that bought teams in this. We'll be posting this on YouTube momentarily and shipping these cards out tomorrow. Thanks.